Video, video. Video.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Isang masigabang palakpakan from the audience. And the participants, mahina ang palakpak ninyo. Tulog ba kayo? Isang masigabang palakpakan. Hindi pa ata kayo nagkape?
Hindi pa nga eh.
Anyway, I look at the members of each team. Talagang ayaw matalo ang akin. Laban kung laban. Anyway, we'll start the program proper. But before that, we would like to ask our guest, Darryl Brana Musa, and of course the our chairman, Mr. Orlin Flores, to come here and join our
Mary.
our
Tingin naman, naka-video. Video. Hello.
Darryl Brana Musa, palakpak mo natin. Always active, always present. I don't know paano nila nagawa.
Video.
Every weekend. But he still attends
Kaway,
every
video.
activities of the organizations here in the Eastern region. Napakasipag po. Now, all are here. We proceed with the program.
Ayun. Saan ko ano?
The Philippine National Anthem to be led by, please rise for the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Ms. Gina Sofia.